my name is Leopard. Today I'll tell you how to make edible utensils. Let's come and start. So I made this dough out of wheat flour and we make it the utensil. So first we have to roll it, then after we make it as a ball, we have to roll this by this roller. Then it should look like something like this after you've rolled it. Now we can put this ball here, or we could put it inside. It doesn't really matter. And then we make it as a bell shape, like that. And then we might have to cut these edges. And we have to then put it in the oven for 100 degrees Celsius or max. And then these are some of the spoons I made. And this is the cup or glass I tried making. So let's put it in the oven. So after we cooked it, we put in some flavor in it, so that's why it's like a little blackish color. And it's actually perfect to drink in. I'll show you. And you can also use the bowl and spoon to eat something. I'll probably show you with some water, acting like this is like milk or something. See? It's actually working perfect. And you can eat it after you use or throw it in the compost or reuse it. But I'd probably prefer you just using it after you've used it, because you're not cleaning it, and it's actually yummy to eat it. This was a one that just broke after we did it. I'll show you. I'll first clean it just in case. It's actually nice to eat it. And you can, after you use it, you can throw it in the compost. And it's actually good.